In the previous lecture, we set up our project structure. In this lecture, we're going to start building our basic HTML structure. What we're going to do first is that we're going to create an HTML doc type version, and the version that we need is HTML5. So in your index file, um, type less than symbol, and then doc type HTML, and then greater than sign or greater than symbol. Right under, we're going to create our root element, and this is the HTML tag, okay? And I'm going to add a language attribute, just lang or lang, and I'm just going to add en as value. Now, between the HTML tags, we're going to create a head element, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and create the body element as well. Okay, let's go back to our head section, and I'm gonna create a title element. And as a text, I'm gonna add lander world's top creative solutions. Okay, now let's save it and let's go see how the title is gonna be displayed in the browser. Uh, yeah, we gotta create a new tab here. I already have it open, so I'm just gonna type on the web address. I'm gonna type file, okay, and I'm gonna come to the end of this web address, and I'm gonna start deleting where everything except a desktop, and then the backslash. From there, we're gonna start adding the new folder. So that is lander. I already have it there. So and then backslash index dot html. Just hit enter. Okay, it's going, and there it is. We can see anything in here because we haven't added anything, right? So the only thing that we are coming to check is the title, which is here, Lander World's Top Creative Solutions. Okay, what we gotta do next is I think it's gonna be good to link our style uh, file, and right under the title, but between the head section, I'm gonna add a um, link element, and this is a self-closing element. Okay, and I'm gonna add a relation, the relation attribute, just rel, type rel, and relation is gonna be the style sheet. Next, we're gonna add another attribute, which is the type attribute, and this one is gonna be text backslash CSS, and the last one is gonna be the hyper reference. Obviously, this is the attribute that is gonna help us to link our CSS file. So we need to go to first. We gotta specify the folder where that file is, and that is the CSS folder. So first CSS, and then backslash, and then our CSS file name, which is the style. That's CSS. Okay. Save it, and basically that is it for the basic HTML structure. On the next lecture, we're gonna start building the header.